Thank you
all.
very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So now we have next speaker from the Kurnool, Mr. Sripat. Mr. Sripat, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So yes. So can you start about your story? Sripat Vipala is research head of Bande Mataram Research Center, Kurnool, Telangana. He runs the curriculum in the Kurnool and around 50 kilometers from Hyderabad. So let's know his story and his perception toward education. Yes, Mr.
Firstly, I would like to.
Sripati, yeah.
Yeah, can I start?
Yeah, start, please.
Firstly, I would like to appreciate the efforts that you have taken in to bring all the excellent people onto one platform. And namaste to everyone. The National Education Policy presents the need to explore and work with various proposed alternative models, which is aiming to meet the genuine needs of the students and which can be replicated widely. So we at this research center are presenting one such model where we are trying to seek the balance, to balance the demands of a changing world with the specific needs and potential of individual students into a cohesive educational program. The proposed changes in the new education policy are but a few of the practices that we have been implementing for years now. The education model in Akshavanam is exemplary of how the changes under NEP in teaching and learning can be incorporated in practice. Our initiative seeks to bring out leadership qualities in students to transform them into confident, capable, and complete individuals. The unique peer-to-peer learning methodology, Little Leader, Little Teacher, came into existence after carefully studying and experimenting various pedagogical methods for over 15 years. As part of this methodology, we have been running the Swadhyaya initiative for the past 4 years. This program demonstrates the full extent of learning possibility with peer-to-peer methodology. Unlike the regular academic tradition, where the teacher lectures the class and expects the pupils to follow, our program provides an atmosphere where students could freely interact among themselves during the class. It's difficult for a single teacher to come down to each and every child's level, whereas in peer-to-peer learning, it's easy for one child to teach his friend by coming down to his or her level. This convenience helps the students to gain courage and confidence in pursuing knowledge themselves, and the effect is visible in their results. This practice of peer tutoring, which has been proposed under the NEP, has been implemented with great success under this program. This Swadhyaya initiative has created an environment for diversity where the children come from various spectrums of the society, such as different academic abilities, classes, regions, and religions. We started off with a hypothesis that children learn better with larger diversity that is reflective of the society's diversity. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you go ahead, sir.
We have witnessed even better results than expected. The focus at our research center is not to produce children with excellence in the spheres of civil service or engineering or business management, but to show that children with various passions and interests can coexist, respecting each other and grow together as peers. We believe that children in mixed groups and with mixed ambitions, studying, learning, and growing together is the best way towards a holistic education. So we have predominantly divided our curriculum into 3 categories, namely a triple L curriculum, where one L stands for the language, the other L logic, and the other L is life skills. Subjects like mathematics and science fall under logic, all languages under language, and all day-to-day activities, games and sports, vocational courses, integrated humanities fall under life skills. With special focus on these 3 categories, our curriculum is designed. And in order to nurture the 3 L's, we have come up with a unique learning environment, which is warm, relaxed, and completely informal. It will take around 5 to 10 years for a child to complete the curriculum, depending on his or her pace of learning. The curriculum is designed in a manner which works across different age groups, levels, and timelines. While in logic, the students learn mostly via peer-to-peer interactions. They pick up one subject at a time from the provided textbooks and reference books. Once they gain mastery over it, they move on to the other subjects. And in order to make their basics strong, they learn all the subjects right from the 3rd standard, lower standards. The role of the teacher is very limited to just providing a learning environment and interacting in a very minimal manner. The rest will be taken care by the students themselves. Children here take on the responsibility as a mentor and as a teacher in the place of actual teacher. Hence, we name this methodology as a little leader and a little teacher. So the environment here is also designed in a manner that instills leadership qualities in each child. It will take from a few months to years for a child to finish one subject. By the time they move out of the research center, they would have learned at least 70 courses. So this practice of greater flexibility and multidisciplinary study and allowing the scope for the students to choose their subjects is also proposed under NEP, which is yet again an example of how this initiative has been practicing the needed transformation in curriculum and pedagogical structure. The conventional education system, which flows in unidirection from teacher to student. So this results one-way traffic. The result of this one-way traffic is that the children are compelled to mutely absorb lessons by rote and follow instructions, and are rarely encouraged to question and speak themselves. After putting them through 20 years of such education, we expect them to think and communicate well, which is practically not possible. Given the way the system is structured, it would be difficult even for the committed teacher to overcome these barriers. However, the children learn in the company of their peers. These barriers are automatically lowered and they feel free to ask questions and voice their opinions from a very early age. It is a tailor-made for individual children, allowing them to learn at their own pace and in their own style, instead of cramming information in isolation under pressure from an authoritative figure. So these unique and innovative aspects of our methodology, devised through years of patient experimentation, are what account for the remarkable results we have obtained in both children's academic performance as well as behavioral aspects.
So, sir, thank you very much, Sripati ji,
Sir.
and for it was a great curriculum.